Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hi guys, it's your girl Eko Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well out there. If today is the first time of watching my video, please hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment for your families also to see what we are doing here. Let also them to share it for their friends also to watch our video. Today we are preparing Hausa beer or Emudro. So let's see our ingredients for our recipe for today. We have our lemon, sugar, ginger, dry hot pepper, cloves, and then grain of celery. I'm cutting my ginger into pieces. Then we boil it for about 10 minutes. In Ghana, we call this one mpregwamba, and then this is wintia. You put everything together. You add 1 cup of water to boil it. Then cover it and then put it on fire. We are going to boil it for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, then we off our fire. So whilst our spices is on fire boiling, let's cut our lemon into pieces and then squeeze it. And this drink too is very healthy for our body to immunize our system. Even if you have cold, it's very good. I recommend it for you to try it. In this time of weather, it's very good. We are not going to buy cough mixture. You can even add honey if you have honey at home. But I prefer the brown sugar. So I'm going to use brown sugar to mix it. You can even use it when you are drinking tea, you can add a little bit to your tea and then drink it. It's very good. It's also good for the men too. So if you're a man watching me, try this recipe. You will thank me for that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Because of the ginger, the cloves, and then the grain of celery. It's good for the men. Our spices is ready for us to blend it. First blend it, then whilst it is blended, we add 4 cups to it for it to be very light for us to strain it. Our spicy ginger is ready. We are straining it. adding extra 1 cup of water. And nice, okay. I'm straining it for the second time, and this time I'm using net or sieve, whatever you call it. I'm adding my lemon juice. Sure you squeeze it well. Our awuzebia is ready. We are adding our sugar. And you mix it well. Awuzebia is ready. In summer, you can drink it like this, but in winter, you have to drink it hot. I'm enjoying it. Cheers! I hear the spices. It's very good. I hope you really enjoy my recipe. Thank you for sitting back and watching me. See you!